So this is preset called piano L plus R. I think I found it here, some search piano, and then I have it here. So yeah, there's the M1 piano. Then I have some EQ on, and just to get rid of some low end, I think I could go even deeper with this one. Yep. Then we have some compression on, and I use the preset called Pop Piano. You can find it in the different presets here. Yeah, you can see that it's working a lot here. I don't think that this is overcompressed, but some may disagree with me here. So I just basically throw in a preset. So if I'm doing any compression at all, I'm just using a preset, and then I look at the threshold. So I'm going up or down with the threshold. So I usually don't want to hit more than -5 here. And as you can see, it looks like they hit more of a -10 here. Yeah, it's actually pretty close to -5, so I'm going to use that. It sounds good. So sometimes you don't necessarily have to look at the music, just listen to the music instead. Then you have another plugin called DJM Filter, and this is a freeware plugin, so I'm going to use this plugin with this course. And you can find it on Xfer Records. If you Google Xfer freeware, then you will get all of these plugins that I'm using. First one is the DJM Filter, and this is just a filter plugin that is very similar to the DJM filter on the Pioneer DJM mixer. So I'm using that, and I'm always automating this LP to HP thing here, like that. So this is low pass and this is high pass. And I also use the OTT plugin from Xfer as well. This is also freeware, so I'm going to use that one as well. And yeah, let's try to create this track with Logic's built-in piano. So I'm going to open the library here and go to piano. And let's see what I get if I'm using this piano. Let's see if it differs a lot. Yeah, it's not as bright as the other one, so I'm going to try to make it brighter. Yeah, we're in the wrong track here, so let's try it again. I'm going to add, let's try Bit Crusher. And I'm also going to add a reverb. So I'm going to use that Bit Crusher preset. I don't know if I'm going to end up with this one, but yeah, for now it sounds pretty okay. So I'm going to use that, and I'm also going to use a Space Designer reverb and put some wet signal down. So yeah, like that. All right, so I'm trying to mute this and listen how it would sound with the track.
1, don't pick up the phone. You know he's only calling 'cause he's drunk and alone. 2, don't live Don't pick up the phone, you know he's only calling cause he's drunk and alone. Don't let him in, you have to kick him out again. One, don't pick up the phone, you know he's only calling cause he's drunk and alone. Two, don't let...
I'm actually going to use that. So let's hide this track. So now we have this one. I'm gonna call it piano. And let's go for the next Nexus track, which is a Nexus. Again, it's Aspire. And this is the same MIDI data as in the piano, but I'm using the Spire plugin with basic pluck. Yeah, that's the preset, and you can copy all of these settings to get exactly that sound. But this is just to support the piano a bit. And this is actually, you can do the same with something else. I'm going to create a track, new track, drag it up there. I'm going to reset channel strip just to make it clean. And let's try ESP. No, let's try ES2. Yeah. And now I'm going to copy this region over. So it's the same thing as I said, as the piano. Yeah, that is way too much. Let's see what level we were in, 23. Okay, so let's get somewhere around there. I'm just pushing the release a bit down.